School gun woman locked down our school while we blasting fake diarrhea sounds in a school bathroom? Yeah, that happened to me. This takes place in 2017, back in 8th grade. It was a Friday, almost the last week of school. The vibe was chill. Everyone was basically checked out. I was heading to my study hall with my best friend at the time. Let's call him Timmy. Now look, teen boys are idiots. We thought it would be hilarious to walk down the hall to the bathroom, whip out our phones, and blast diarrhea sounds as loud as possible. I know, peak comedy. But right in the middle of our immature masterpiece, this loud, buzzy alarm goes off. Something we'd never heard before. And the digital clock in the hallway flashes the word, lockdown. I turn to Timmy and whisper, "Holy shit, dude. Is this what I think it is?" And he just goes, "Yeah, I think, dude." Then the lights cut. Boom. Total blackout. Silence. Then we hear this voice from down the hallway. "Hey, you're in big trouble, guys." At first we thought, oh crap, it's just a lunch lady who caught us screwing around. But when she got closer, nah, something was off. She was maybe in her late 40s, scruffy hair, dirty clothes, and she had what looked like a gun in her hand and holster on her waist. She was not school staff, so we panicked and bolted. Ran to Mr. Duffield's door, started pounding. No response. We're in full-on horror movie mode now, sprinting like Scooby-Doo characters down the high school hallway. We cut around through the intersection where the cafeteria and band room connect and pound on another door. Finally, we see Mr. Black peek his head out. He sees me, recognizes my face, and lets us in. Thank God. But then, bang, bang, bang! She's pounding on that door now. And then, crash! Jer hand goes through the window. She straight up punched through the glass. And we're standing there like, bro, what is this woman on? And Mr. Black, man's got guts, hands us a trombone and says, get ready. So me and Timmy hold this brass instrument like a battering ram. And when she finally peeks through the cracked window, wham! Right in the face. She drops like a sack of potatoes. The cops showed up minutes later and took her away. But here's the really dark part. The school kept it all hush-hush. We found out later that she wasn't just trying to scare kids. She confessed she had lost her twin children years ago. She came to our school trying to kidnap students to take them as replacements. Let that sink in. A grieving woman, completely unhinged, roaming school halls with a gun. And we almost became her next targets. And all because we wanted to be dumb and play fart noises during third period. I guess the joke was on us. Like and follow for more.